Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Ben here. Welcome back to how to get player IDs onto Piggy. Now, you see, you've been having trouble getting someone's ID into the game. Well, you only need these steps so that you could put anyone's ID in it. First, you're gonna have to go to Safari and put in roblox.com so that you could. First, you gotta click on continue in browser. And first off, we're not going to log in because that will give away our password, but we can search it up. For mine, I'm gonna put in my friend Minecraft. Oh, I forgot. Forgot to put it in people. Make sure you put it in people. And first, you click on that person thing. Then first, this is where the magic begins. You click on this. Then you got a player ID. First, you need to copy this so that you can. First, you gotta click copy onto that. Then we go into Roblox on the official game of it. Then first we click to Piggy. Then we go join our server. Then we're in this game. Then first you click on objects and you click on NPCs. Scroll down so that you could see player NPC. Then first when you click on the player NPC, you're going to have to click build. And as you guys can see here, we see a settings bar. Now you gotta click the settings bar and it says here, player ID. Then hold it down and then you see these two things are called paste and autofill. First, you're gonna have to click paste. Once we did that, we got our friend onto this game. Then first you click confirm. Now here's the results of it. We're just going to spawn this. Then we're going to click play. Oh wait, Piggy spawn. We just spawn it over here. Okay, and then we're going to click bots. And when we turn around, you're going to see the glory. Once we turn around. Wait, where did the pig go? Okay, if you're having that problem that your friend is not showing up, that means that it didn't show up yet. Okay, once we click that, we're in the game! Oh, and that guy falls. We're gonna add some barriers so that it doesn't go away. Okay, we're placing the invisible blocks now. is for a quick montage. Okay, there we go. Once we got all of this, now we're going to click play and bot. And once we got that, when we turn around, look, we got the player ID. Well, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, my dudes. And that's how you get your player to come over there. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out, my dudes.